We've been out all day at the beach, just come back to some pretty crazy news. This is gonna be a super quick update video. CrossFit just released a statement of the athletes that have tested positive and will not be at the CrossFit Games this year. The Europe Central athlete that won't be going is ANDREY GANIN. His TE ratio, too high. Usually that shows a use of testosterone, I think. TE is testosterone to something else. Regardless, he's actually admitted to it. He said he's done it and he's banned. This person I really didn't expect to see on this list, and is like, this is huge news. This is a games athlete from 14, 15, 16 and 17. Emily Abbott has been put on that list. She has tested positive for a substance. Abbott the Red. To me, in CrossFit, she's one of like the poster girls. In a way, she's like one of the controversial different ones that they kind of like. Crazy to see happen. 3 other people from teams have also been caught. Is this year the biggest year of people being banned? Surely some of the biggest names. Does that mean CrossFit are cracking down on the drug policy, or are people slipping up? Or 3, are more people using it, or are more people getting caught? I'll put a link down to the Facebook post or article down below. Crazy scenes today. What's going on with the world? I'm glad to see CrossFit doing something about the drug issue in the sport. Are they doing enough? I don't know. Can they do enough? Are people always going to stay one step ahead? Maybe. What are your thoughts? I want a crazy discussion down below. Emily Abbott. What are you doing, assholes?